if we take Lahore as an example, तो जो लाहौर के अंदर the increase in fog और जो उसका air quality index is like worse in the world. So what has actually contributed to that? Is it man-made activities that has led to this situation, or are there also natural forces to play that has contributed towards making the air quality so bad?
Well, just an example, if you give Lahore, if you go back even in your 90s when we were kid, like even before that, Lahore environment was not like that. Why? It was considered as city of gardens. We have trees, we do have roads, but we have less cars. The life was simpler, so it was all good. I won't say we put all the blame on industrialization. वो एक certain factor है. अगर हम अपना emission breakdown in totality में देखें, transportation is also it's one of the major emitter as well. And then this urbanization, unplanned urbanization. If you go back, लाहौर का अगर आप मास्टर प्लान देखें, उसमें जब 70s में डेवलप हुआ था, जब ये सारी इन्वायरमेंट की वो बातें हुई थी, वो अर्बन प्लानिंग, अगर आप वो लाहौर का ओरिजिनल मास्टर प्लान देखें, देयर वर प्लेसेस फॉर पार्क्स, प्लांटेशन, फॉलो नहीं हुआ, XYZ रीजंस, वट एवर, मेजर कंसिडरेशन नहीं थी, पब्लिक की भी मेजर कंसिडरेशन. वी कैनॉट ब्लेम एवरीथिंग ऑन गवर्नमेंट. हमने भी बात नहीं की. जैसे अगर वेस्ट में बात की है, लंदन में स्मोक का इशू हुआ था 1940s में. व्हाट हैपन, एक इंसिडेंट एक दिन का हुआ, उसका रैपिड एक्शन ये था, लोगों ने डिमांड की, दे हैव डेवलप देयर मैस ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम. यू बीन टू लंदन योरसेल्फ, आपने देखा होगा कि गाड़ियाँ, you don't see cars in on central London. कोई ले जाना ही नहीं चाहता because there's congestion charges, transportation charges. But on the other hand, they give a best one of the best mass transit system. That's how the things. And then UK is also green buildings and all those sort of things. They are a part of that consideration. So 1940s में इशू हुआ, उन्होंने उसे रिजॉल्व कर दिया. स्टिल एयर क्वालिटी ऑफ लंदन this considered as not very healthy for them and for that instant. If you go in Netherlands after the World War II, they understand that it's really important to have Mother Nature, and they did their research. Now it's a air pollution free country. It's a small country, but reason क्या है कि वहाँ पे everyone is using bicycle. उन्होंने अपना infrastructure उसके आगे around develop किया है. अब वी टॉक अबाउट क्या हम यहाँ पे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर हमारा ऐसा क्यों नहीं है. लाहौर, इफ़ यू गिव दैट एग्जाम्पल्स, एंड इफ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माई ग्रैंड फादर, ही वॉज ऑन ऑल्सो नेचुरलिस्ट एंड एकेडमिक पर्सन, सो ही यूज टू कम एंड गो ऑन बाईसाइकिल. ही वॉज principal of a government college, so but he has no shame using a cycle to come to work. We use cycles, we were simpler, and then now everyone in the house needs to have a car. अभी नया मॉडल का गाड़ी लेना है, गाड़ी ली है, और बैंक ने लीजिंग की. The bank leasing started, and then it's a correlation, and then you see at the same time we do the large number of cars in Lahore, and secondly you started building these underpasses and cutting trees on the canal, and that movement also happened. Development is required, and that's why this sustainable development, which I was explaining earlier, why the term was coined around globally, that we really need to see the future. Your kids are breathing in the air which is so polluted. It was not the case for you. What have you developed, you have left for your kids and their kids. So Lahore is a classic example what happened with us, considering abhi bhi the thing is that abhi temperature is, or ye industrial pollution, yes, is one of the reason, but you can transportation and lack of policies and everything. On the other side, if you see in India, Delhi also have smog issues, so but they are doing a lot of different tricks and plays to curtail that. They have laid down a mass transit system, उसको अब वो solar पे भी कर रहे हैं. What they're doing in that domain. So these things really we need to factor in this thing, what we had and now what we have destroyed in that per se. Development हर जगह हुई है, आपके बाहर भी. अभी even in there's a debate that in Europe, it's the transit mass system is so developed, but on the US it's okayish, and but वो एक अलग mindset है. But then comes we just take the examples of places where air pollution या pollution level कम है. So that's not a one day thing happened. इसके लिए आपको thought processes डालने चाहिए थे. We missed a train a lot in this domain, like factoring in renewables in our work, assessing climate finance, and all those sort of things. Unfortunately, that's why we are in the top 10 vulnerable countries which are impacted by climate change. So that sort of problems comes when you don't factor in climate and environment planning. Now it's happening after law and even with the when we have this ordinance, आपको एक environmental impact assessment करवानी होती है. Then there is the government, since it's a provincial subject, there's EPA gives you a NOC, but उसमें conditions होती हैं, you need to plant certain amount of trees as per the project. अदर भी उसमें mitigation measures होते हैं. अगर वही चीज़ें follow हो जाएं तो it would get better.